Here I have REALME C3i, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device. So to transfer files like any kind of files, photos, videos, data, all you need is to download this app, sent anywhere from the Play Store if you have Android device, from the App Store if you have iPhone. What's exceptional about this app, because you can send from the Android to iPhone and backwards. So when you first open this app, you just have to grant all the access it requires. Then if you want to receive file, you go to the receive section. If you want to send file, from the send section, you just have to select file, then tap. What's going on? Then you have to tap send. Then if you want to receive, what you have to do is to enter this 6-digit code, or you can just share a link, open link, and after that receive file, or you can just grant access to camera here and then just point camera on the QR code and get file just like this. And as you can see, image sent, and that's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.